In this video, we're going to be looking at tags and how we use them when making a second guide. Tags help you share topic content easily across multiple guides, so you don't have to write it twice. You can attach a tag to a topic to share content with all your guides, or to share property-specific topic content to a chosen group of guides in Content Hub. Once you've created your new guide, make sure you apply the All Guides tag or any other tag you're using to share common topic information from your first guide to your new guide. Just so you know, tags can only be applied to a topic, not a category or subcategory. Once you've ticked this will copy all of your master content from your first guide to your new guide. This will save you a lot of time and means you don't have to create it again. Now you can decide which sections of the master content you want to keep in this new guide and which you don't want to show in the new guide. In order to use the tags properly, we need to understand exactly what they are. The main tag you'll be using will be the All Guides tag. This tag is automatically created when you and your second guide and all of the content from your first guide is automatically linked to your second guide. But don't worry, you can remove this tag from your new guide to unlink all of your first guide's content if you want to. If you don't just want to use information from your master content, you might want to create your own tag. The way to do this is simple. Go to Content Hub, check the drop-down arrow next to the Tags menu, and click New Tag. Now you have your new tag, scroll down to a category, for example, Local Area Guide, and create the topic you want to add to your new guide. For example, Getting Around as a subcategory, and Take a Bike as the topic. You'll notice this topic has no tags applied. You can now add the tag you just created for this guide. To do this, select your new tag and click Save. The new tag is now applied and the topic shared with your new guide. As you add more guides, you can create a tag for each location and group together location-relevant content using tags. This topic is now only visible in the new guide and not your master content in Content Hub. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact. And remember, you can find loads more helpful information in our knowledge base.